Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. This is Kakuya Fidimix Vlog, ang yung content creator na kahit ano ay blinablog, ang pinakamasayahing vlogger sa buong mundo. Mega, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Nandito tayo ngayon sa RBRM, I guess. Now, see. Okay. Guys, ito po yung ano papakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung instant very successful company dito sa Pilipinas Tumbong Tarlac. Ito po ang opisina ng RBRM. Okay, yan. Ito ang company core nila ito yung RBRM na yan. Builders and construction supply. We dream for it and we give it. Ano kayang ibibigay niya ka? We give it. Dream for it. Tapos may harbor heaven na rin. Yan. Company core values. Yan. Okay. Respect. We believe in treating every client, colleagues and community with the utmost respect, understanding and everyone's needs and dreams and different. We prioritize listening and valuing diverse perspective to ensure each person feel heard and supported. Yan. Nabasa nyo na rin siguro. How about the understanding? We focus on understanding our clients' unique circumstances, desires, and goals. And getting to know the individuals. Okay. Itong maganda the meaningful connection. We aim to create lasting, meaningful connections and just helping people find property. Guys, kung gusto niyo magpatayo ng inyong mga bahay or else ito nandito tayo ngayon sa RBRM. Dami niyang connect na real estate. See, Harbor Heaven Land Titling, helping find place in the world. Ayan. Guys, kontakin niyo lang po ako. Ito yung mission nila Our mission is to empower individuals and families and helping and discover the perfect home of the investment that aligns with their unique lifestyle, dreams and inspiration. Kasi, tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaluwang ang Guys, andito tayo. See. Guys, baka gusto nyo magpatayo ng bahay kontakin nyo lang po ako. Tignan nyo meron pa palang ganito sila mayroon pang mga. Bakit kaya hindi ako kinukuha dito? Nainis ako. Guys, ito mayroon tayong mga subdivided lot. Baka gusto nyong kumuha. Ayan, guys. Kontakin nyo lang ako. Ito yung nearby ng ito yung Pando, ito nearby ng ng Ayala Land. Ito naman nearby ng ng Robinson Luisita. Yan. Okay. Okay guys, yan. Hindi pa natin pwedeng kausapin ngayon yung may-ari kasi tignan niyo yung very undergoing pa construction yung opisina. Yan. Opo. Yan. Meron na rin doon talagang alam niya yung mga manginginom naglagay siya ng pag-inuman. Okay guys, salamat. At ito na naman po si Kuya Fide, ang inyong content creator na masayahin. Na i-vlog kahit And then, once again, ito na naman po yung RBRM. Opisina ng RBRM. Just contact me if you want to build a house or buy a lot of subdivided land nearby Ayala Land and Robinson Mall. Basta tawagan nyo lang po ako. Yan. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa inyong lahat. Bye bye. Thank you.